How are you? I think you are ready for learning Angular. Practical. I'm eating my dinner. Very good snack. Especially you can find in Sri Lanka. In 10 seconds.
Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Everyone, I already talked now. Today we are going to do a practical about Angular simple with using simple theories. If you complete beginner or if you not have complex knowledge in Angular, it's not a problem, because we are going to do any very simple project that will make you good, sharp your knowledge. And the I think everyone after watch it, try this by yourself. That's make you more confident on your Angular projects. Especially I know Angular is very more hard than what we thought, but Angular is a very good framework that you want to learn rather than React. So today project looks like this. Input field, you want to input field, if there's you want to add a username. If username is empty, the below button is going to be disabled, and if you enter any text in that input field, that button will become active. Yes, when you press the button, I will share the screen.
Okay, I'm not trying to do from basics, because you already know
How to do basics.
so I'm not wasting your time. Um, yeah, CD practical 2, that's my file in admin, so I want to run that. Then I want a source file, then app, go to the app, then then run the server, ng serve,
The horrible time that's made, because it's take a lot of time. How about if you ng serve, then
the next second run the server. I like that, but it takes a lot of time. It's not a problem, but when you create a new the ng new file, oh, that takes sometimes 15 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes. Yeah. That's very boring. In here I'm put h3 headline, username register here, and put a horizontal lines and a label username. That's all I pre-built. Then that's all. Okay, then now I want to build input. Okay, let's type text. Yeah, a form controller, that's the very important part. Yeah, then there's in future, in upcoming seconds I will say we want to do something. What's the angular form you want to import? So okay, you can see how can I do it. It's not hard, just easy. Yeah, app module ds, go to the app module ds and you want to import the form module form at angular / forms, and then below the forms you want to add form modules. After that your disabled import part will become active, so it's not hard. Okay, I'm exporting username equals single quotation mark or double quotation mark, that's not a problem. Okay, saved. Oh yeah, and next I want to build I want to save my time, so I'm going to run with Bootstrap, so I don't need to CSS files to decorate, so simply I can do it using Bootstrap. I think you know how to install Bootstrap in right way. If you don't know, I will put a card in the corner, then you will find out and follow the step. Call XX12, let's make the bring the content into the some center, so let's make more user experience more good. Something error loop, no, let's see what's happened. I mean primary not added. Yeah, that's the issue. Oh, okay, XS12 working. Now I want primary consert. Class model btn primary. That's the word. Okay, I write that code in IL, cut and paste. I think now danger loop work. So primary danger is good rather than primary, because when you're using a reset, we all know the reset buttons are normally look like a red colors. If you're putting a login, then you can put primary. That's nice color, like a light blue, not, and hover looks like darker. That's very nice. So saving the command lines, and next I want to do some simple lines, so I think it's not hard. Hello, I think if you learned something, please don't forget to share my video with your friends. And if you like this video, and do you want more projects like very simple and not complex, very easy to learn, and do you want, please comment below in this uh, channel, and please hit my bell icon after you subscribe. So I'm very happy if you like me. I think this will become my first video reach 100 views. Please help me to reach 100 views in this video. Please help me.